Welcome to my YouTube channel, Engineering Physics by Dr. Deepak. Today we'll discuss about the experiment of to draw the reverse characteristic curve of a Zener diode and to find its reverse breakdown voltage. What is Zener diode? Zener diode is a type of diode that permits current not only in the forward direction like a normal diode, but also in the reverse direction. This is a symbolical representation, anode end that is a positive, cathode end that is a negative. This is a Zener diode. A Zener diode is heavily doped PN junction diode, especially made to operate in the breakdown region. A PN junction diode does not normally conduct when it is a reverse bias, but if the reverse bias is increased at a particular voltage, it starts conducting heavily. High current through the diode can permanently damage the device. To avoid high current, we connect a resistor in series with Zener diode. Once the diode starts conducting, it maintains almost constant voltage across the terminals. Whatever may be the current through it, it has a very low dynamic resistance. It is used in voltage regulator. Now we'll perform the experiment on the simulator. This is the power supply. This is the insert key. This is a rheostat. This is a voltmeter. This is Zener diode. This is a meter. This is a resistance. And here in the combo box, we have a different range of Zener diode. So we have selected the Zener diode, 5.6 voltage. This is the rheostat resistance. When we click on here, we can see the circuit diagram. We can do the connections according to the circuit diagram. Power supply connected with the voltmeter. This is with the insert key and insert key terminal with the rheostat and voltmeter with the ammeter with the resistance with the rheostat with the voltmeter. Now the diode is connected with the voltmeter. Now we can press the key. Now at a rheostat resistance 1 ohm, voltmeter show the reading 0.120 volt and the current is 0.000. Now with the help of the rheostat resistance, we can add the rheostat resistance in the range of 0 to 5, 10, 15, 20, like that. But in this our case, we are doing with the 1 rheostat resistance, then 15. Note down the voltage 1.751 and the current is 0.000. Then 30, voltage 3.318 and the current is 0.001. Then resistance 45, voltage is 4.822, current is 0.003, 60, voltage is 5.600. This is the Zener diode voltage and the current is 0.008. Now the resistance is 75 ohm. The voltage of the Zener diode that remains same, but current start increasing. So this voltage is known as the breakdown voltage. The voltage remain constant. By applying the resistance, voltage is not increased, but the current start increasing. That voltage is known as the breakdown voltage. Now how we can record the reading? Recording the reading in the observation table, serial number, rheostat, 1, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. Reverse voltage across the diode. This is the Zener diode reverse voltage, minus 0.120, reverse current through the diode, milliampere, 0, 1.751, 0, 3.318, 0.001. We have to note down the reading in the similar manner. We are using here the negative sign. It's quite understood. That is, we are going to discuss about the reverse characteristics of the Zener diode, but we are using this minus sign here because of we can put these reading in the graph. So we can get the third quadrant graph by using the negative sign. If we are using here, we remove the negative sign, then we can get the graph in the first quadrant. So how we can plot the graph? We have selected the reading from the observation table, open the Word document. In the insert option, we click on the charts, XY scattered, and click on this curve. Okay. Now here we can put the value in the X or Y column from the observation table. We selected the value. Now the graph is here. Axis title, we can add chart, data labels. So this is the graph, how we can prepare the graph that lie in the third quadrant because of we are using the negative sign in the observation. Now this is the BI characteristics of the Zener diode. This is the reverse characteristics. So here we can see that the reverse breakdown voltage, that is 5.6 voltage. This is a breakdown voltage. Now here is the avalanche region, or what is the avalanche effect? In the reverse bias PN junction diode, there are the minority carrier in the depletion region. Now what happened? These minority carrier having a sufficient kinetic energy, they can knock out the electron from the atoms. And there is a multiplication of the electron takes place. And the multiplication of the electron like a 2, 4, 4, 8, 8, 16, like this way. And current start increasing. So here we can see that the current start increasing and depletion layer is depleted. And sometime the instrument get damaged. To avoid such kind of incident, we are using a series resistance. So this is called the avalanche effect or avalanche region. Result and discussion, the breakdown potential, also called the Zener potential, that is Zener potential is equal to 5.6 voltage that we have observed in the observation table. In the conclusion, Zener diode are used in voltage regulation in circuits because even when a large current flow through, their voltage does not change appreciably. So that we have discussed in the observation table, or while we are working on the simulator, we are increasing the resistance, and what happened? The breakdown voltage at the 5.6, it's further not increasing, that remain the constant and can start increasing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.